Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a clear sky view and a functioning receiver. First, power on the receiver and note the current signal strength and transponder frequency so you can compare. Next, inspect the coax and connectors for corrosion or loose fittings. A bad connector can mimic bad alignment. Once done, hand tighten and reseal connections, and make sure the LNB shows proper voltage at the receiver. This tells you the dish and electronics are ready for fine alignment. You now perform the detailed alignment. Raise elevation slightly, then sweep azimuth slowly while watching the signal meter. Small, deliberate moves reveal the peak. Once you see a rise, center the dish and recheck elevation because those axes interact. Then adjust LNB skew in small steps. Skew optimizes polarization and often improves lock quality. Make sure to pause after each tweak to let the receiver stabilize. This avoids chasing transient meter spikes and ensures you find the true maximum signal. You finish by securing the dish at the optimal reading. Tighten all mount bolts incrementally while monitoring signals so alignment doesn't shift. Once locked, confirm transponder lock and a stable SNR. If SNR remains low, swap the coax or LNB to pinpoint hardware failure. If problems persist, try a temporary replacement dish to rule out physical deformation. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, test during different weather. Moisture often reveals cable or connector issues that only show under load.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.